What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here, and in this video we're told if a plus b plus c is equal to m, we have to show that m choose a times m minus a choose b is equal to this multinomial coefficient. And notice that this is a multinomial coefficient because it satisfies the format where these have to add up to this, right? A plus b plus c is equal to m. And we know from previous videos, that multinomial formula, that this here is equal to m factorial over a factorial, b factorial, c factorial. Right? This side, this right side, is equal to that. And so what we have to do is we have to work with this, with these two combinations, and show that they're going to equal this. Now, just in general, if we have n choose k, what does that equal? We know that equals n factorial over k factorial times n minus k factorial. Right? This is equal to that. So if we take this and apply it here, what is m choose a going to be? Well, it's going to be m factorial over a factorial times m minus a factorial. This is equal to that. And then we're going to multiply it by m minus a choose b. So this, put this in brackets, this here is going to be m minus a factorial, right, the top factorial. So the m minus a is like this n here, and then the b is like the k. And so this is going to be all over b factorial. And then what we do is we subtract these, right? N minus k factorial. So we're going to do m minus a minus b factorial, like that. And so from here, what we can do is we can actually simplify these. Since we're multiplying, notice that the m minus a factorials, those are actually going to cancel out. So we'd be left with what? M factorial at the top. There's like a 1 left here. Over a factorial, b factorial, and then m minus a minus b factorial. Now, what are we trying to get to? We're trying to get to this. And notice we're pretty close. We have m factorial, we have the a factorial, b factorial. It's just the c factorial we don't have. Over here, instead, we have m minus a minus b factorial. But we're told that a plus b plus c is equal to m. What happens when we isolate for that c, bring everything over, we'll have m minus a minus b. So since we're told this, it means c is equal to this, so we could take that and just plug it in here. And so we end up having c factorial there, and then this is in that multinomial coefficient formula format. So this would be that multinomial coefficient. Just to kind of make it proper, you want to take one side and make it equal to the other side, right? But we had to know to get to here. Then once you're there, you know that that's going to equal the multinomial coefficient, right? So we showed that these two expressions multiplied is equal to that multinomial coefficient.